Come in. Hello class, so you guys are here because you failed and this is remedial math analysis. So my name is Mr. Martin Accent de la Rosa Consuelo Lopez. And today we'll be learning about the unit circle. Forgive me, I'm under 4 foot, so I have to stand on this chair to be taller. The unit circle. Alright, class. So, this lesson has to do with trigonometric functions. So this whole circle is what you base all your trigonometric functions on. These are the quadrantals. So, right here, we're going, this coordinate is 1, 0, and if you go down on the y-axis, it's 0, -1. On the x-axis, it's -1, 0, and at the very top of the y-axis, it's 0, 1. So you should write that down in your notes. So I'm going to stand back on this chair because I'm under 4 feet. Alright, so now we're going to do the trigonometric functions. And the way to figure these out is on a chart. So we're going to start with the first 3. So this is going to be the angle or theta. This will be sine. This will be cosine. And then this one will be tangent. Got it? Mm-hmm. So the first one, you start out with pi over 6. Then it goes down to pi over 4. And then the next one that we're going to work on today is pi over 3.
When are we going to use this in the real world?
Hey, give it back!
Not unless you tell me the tangent of pi over 6.
Mr. Lopez taught me this. Root 3 over 3.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what.
And I'll finish up the trigonometric functions right now. Okay, so the sine of pi over 6, this is a good way to memorize this. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. You see that, class? Alright, now everything's going to be over 2. And you're going to put a radical over the 2 and the 3. So the sine of pi over 6 is 1/2. The sine of pi over 4 is root 2 over 3. And the sine of pi over 3 is root 3 over 2. Now we're going to do the exact opposite for cosine. So we're going to start with 3, 2, 1. Same thing, all over 2. And radical over the 3 and the 2. So the cosine of pi over 6 is root 3 over 2. The cosine of pi over 4 is root 2 over 2. And the cosine of pi over 3 is 1/2. So to get tangent on these, tangent of theta is equal to sine of theta over cosine of theta. So it's doing sine over cosine. So 1/2 over root 3 over 2 is going to be root 3 over 3. Root 2 over 2 over root 2 over 2 is just 1. And root 3 over 2 over 1/2 is just root 3. Any questions, class? Yeah.
How do you know what the tangent of pi over 3 equals?
It's a good question. All right, so we're going to work on that right now. So the tangent, so the sine of pi over 3 is root 3 over 2, and the cosine is 1/2. So tangent equals sine over cosine. So root 3 over 2 over 1/2. So if there's 2 denominators in the problem, then they cancel out. And this is going to be root 3 over 1, and then that's just root 3. Do you understand that?
I think so, yeah.
All right, that sounds good. All right, class, let's move on. It's not working. Kaz, come up here and recalibrate it. Thank you, Kaz. Can you guys stop talking, please, or I'm going to separate you? Alright, guys, I'm going to see how much you know now. So, Manny, can you tell me what the cosine of pi over 6 is?
Yeah, Mr. Lopez, that's root 3 over 2.
Very good, very good. Alright, and Kaz, wake up. Can you tell me what the sine of pi over 4 is?
Root 2 over 2.
Very good, very good. Alright.